guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am sharing with you guys some realistic speed cleaning motivation, and the reason I am titling it realistic is because I do not get everything done on this night. I don't try to push myself to absolutely get everything done. You saw the state of this house, and how it turns out in the end is way better than it was in the beginning. So you'll see that I collect the hampers and throw clothes to wash, but I do not really get to sit down and fold any laundry or to finish all of the laundry that I started. I continue that on the next day, but at least I got this house cleaned up because there was just stuff everywhere. Counters were full of things, just things needed to get cleaned up. So that was all I was focusing on tonight. I was not focusing on everything being perfect and getting completely done, and sometimes that's okay. That is real life. We don't always get to finish everything. You can see that bathroom there. I never come back to it to clean it up. So all I did was grab the hamper, collect the clothes, and continue on another day. So join me as I get this done today. Whether you're tackling your own mess or you are just sitting down and relaxing watching this video, I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button and becoming a part of my community. I will not be doing any more talking for the rest of this video, so enjoy.
I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When when I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me, I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, 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 I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat. Hands on your chest, you're all I want. Now keep me warm, just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, and you can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound, we're gonna break them mold, them mold. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. care about you, about you. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. I just wanna get it right, yeah.